Good morning. Um, Here we go again. This is my so kahapon 1-4 to, no? So nag-trade kasi ako kaya naging 1-8. Anyways, this is my third day. So share ko lang pala yung aking indicator, no? ADX and 3 moving average. So this one is 25 EMA. Change color. This one is 10 EMA. And then this one is 7 SMA. 2x and then ADX smoothing 7, DI length 10, and white line. So here we go. Now we are set. Let's find a trade. Okay. This area here. So I buy here. Why I buy here? Why did I buy? Why did I buy? So this area here, it's sign going down, and also we are in the uptrend, so expected going up. Okay, it's a win. Find another one. Just forming a base. This thing here. Nah. All right, find another. It is trying to. Okay, I try to sell. Wait, what? I try to sell here because we are in the downtrend. This area is not strong for sellers. Itong area na to is hindi na siya malakas para sa sellers. 5 seconds. Well, up. all right, it's a win. All right, so if this area break, it will go down. But now it go up. Wait a minute. Let's find another. Let's see. This area here. So I buy here. Wait, what? What? It will go down. It is going down. So if the signal is correct, it form a base here, and also it's going upright, and also the ADX, it give a signal going down, and this area was break. So expected going up, kaso lang forming siya ng base dito. Alright, it's still a win, so I take it. Alright, let's find another. Hindi siya na-break. Hindi na-break itong area na to. If na-break yan, up. Let's find. Bye. So I try to buy here. Oh, wait. Yeah, I buy. If the signal is correct, but looks like it's wrong. First lose, I think. Hindi naman to 100% accurate, no? Kasi nagbigay siya ng signal dito going down. So expected ko sa taas, so kaya ako nag-buy. But looks like it's a win. Oh no, the time. Oh yeah. Oh, it's a win. Yes. So I try to buy again. Expected going up. But this area forming siya ng sideways. Forming siya ng base. Nag-iisip siya kung saan pupunta. Wait, naglag. Oh yeah, naglag nga. Looks like this time it's a lose. Yeah, nag-lose na kasi. So ngayon nag-sell ako. Expected ko is going down. So one lose na ako, no? One lose. So kasi kanina natalo ako. Na-cross na niya itong 3 moving average, and also nagbigay siya ng signal dito ng going up, so it's going down candle. So it's a win. So one lose na ako. And then kung nakita niyo yung message, nakabangga ng taxi. What? Find another. Okay. Late entry. So kita nyo dito, no? Going down siya. Ito, going down. So ito yan eh. Ito. Yan. Mula starting from here, this area here, Ito yon. Nag-form siya ng going down. So, the candle will go up. Gets? Hindi. This one, so I try to buy. Uh-oh. Alright, it's a loss, I think. Second loss. Kasi naman, nagbigay siya ng signal dito. And then, mukha yatang bago siya umakyat is forming muna siya ng base. Nagfo-form siya ng base. Kita nyo dito, forming siya ng base dito. 5 seconds. It's a lose. Oh, wait. Oh, it's a win. So yeah, I am right? Forming siya ng base dito. And then, kaya ako nag-buy kanina kasi nagbigay ng signal yung ADX going down. So, expected ko is going up. So, last seconds, it go up. Nakuha. Win is a win, right? So, how many wins? I mean, how many loss? 2? 2 or 1? 2, I think. Yeah. Well, anyway, find another trade. Okay, here. Dito kasi, kita nyo dito, forming siya ng base. And then, yung ADX is trying to go up. So, it will go down. Only a little bit. Maybe a retest. So, pataas dito sa ADX. Pataas din, no? So, maybe, tataas lang konti. And then, babalik dito. Ito sa area na to. Magre-retest. Pag na-break to, bababa. Ganun. Ganun yun eh. Maybe. So, now, find another. One loss na lang. Stop muna. This area. Nah, not so sure. So, oh, wait. Wait. Alin nga? So, kita niyo tong una. The first candle here is trying also, right? And a big wick. And the second one, this, kung saan ako nag-buy, kung saan ako nag-sell, nag-try din siya, big wick din, bumaba. So, sell. And also, downtrend. So, ayun. Downtrend, ayun. And then, ADX is down. So, ADX is going up, so it go down. So, one loss na lang. Strong ba yung trend? Wait. A position is not good. Oh, looks like this is it. This is it. So one loss. Let's see. Wait. If this if this trade is done, I will also done. Hindi siya umangat. So, we are done for now. Siguro mamayang hapon, baka mag-trade ako ulit. Let's see. It's a lose. So, siguro nga, mamayang hapon or gabi. Okay, that's it for now. Out. Peace out. So, yun nga, no, kanina, umaga, nag-trade ako. And then, sabi ko is baka hapon or gabi mag-trade ako ulit. And hapon, so, continuous, no? Nag-trade ako kanina, kaya napa 3K ko. So, ngayon, ba't ako nag-sell? Ba't ako? Looks like sinuwerte pa. So, kanina kasi, ayun nga, sa ADX, so nag-sell ako. Mukha yata 15 seconds. Panalo. 5. Okay, so win. So now, let's look for, magpa 5 trades lang ako, no? So, 1 trade, 5 trades lang ngayon. So, nakaisa na, 4 pa. 4 pa. My position is not good. So this one, I'm expecting this going up. Kaso lang, yung position ko is not good. I hope it go up. Kasi, hindi maganda yung talo. 4 trades pa. 3 trades pa. Ilang segundo? 8 seconds. Okay, 3 more trades. This one. Yes, it's strong. What about this one? Let's look what same. So, so nag-sell ako hoping no? Kasi, wait. Pag sino out? Wait. ADX going up, going down na pala. So, pataas. Oh no. 10 seconds. Nagbigay kasi siya kanina ng nag-signal siya kanina. Nag-signal siya kanina dito. Going up nga. So, nag-sell ako. And then, naglaro muna. Pero buti na lang panalo. So, na-double click ko, no? So, 1 more. Hindi, 2 more. Let's one more time. Bye. Bye. Ayun ang signal If ma-break to. At pag na-break. Angat pa ng konti. Sinubukan niya. Na-break itong area na to. Kung sakaling angat ng konti, ayun nga. So, na-break yung area na to. And then, downtrend. And ADX is going up. So, expected continue to go down. The first signal is dito. Na-break niya yung this resistance support. And then, downtrend. Nag-cross yung tatlong moving average. And ADX is giving a signal na going up. So, this trade is going down. And I'm done for today. So, tomorrow again. So, day 4 tomorrow. Bye-bye.